Kanchipuram-based recent pharmaceuticals that manufactures the killer Coldriff syrup that's consumed by children is under severe scrutiny. And we are reporting from this killer plant over here, this exact plant where the Coldriff syrup is being manufactured. In fact, Tamil Nadu's drug inspection unit also found over 350 violations from the absence of air handling units and ventilation to rusted equipment and products stored in dusty corridors. I just want to show you the design and the layout of this particular plant. Just take a look at how unhygienic this whole area is. It's completely ill-maintained, not given attention to at all. Just the kind of unhygienic atmosphere that we are reporting from. In fact, as I report, I can actually feel and smell the stench that's emanating out of this place. In fact, one of the key observations of the report was how the manufactured cough syrups were placed openly in the corridors of this place, which is very close to the highway. In fact, if you see that side, it's nothing but a highway with thousands of vehicles, and thereby over a period of time the dust accumulated has contributed to contamination of the cough syrup is what we are hearing. That's the kind of glaring lapse that we are talking about. I just want to show you another lapse. There is a container over here to store chemicals where it's very clearly written that this container should be placed in a clean cold place away from direct sunlight, and yet this container is placed directly under the sun. That's the kind of apathy and indifference in the manufacture of Coldriff syrup that we are talking about. What we're also learning is that the equipment that was used in the production of this syrup was just rusty, not updated, not cleaned at all. Very, very unhygienic is what we're hearing. Another important portion that was highlighted in the report was the use of diethylene glycol, which is the toxic, lethal industrial solvent that's used in brake fluids that was found in the syrup, pointing out to illegal procurement and gross negligence. In fact, this particular industrial solvent, diethylene glycol, is really not meant for human consumption, and yet this particular solvent was illegally procured by this particular company, mixed in with the syrup, which has resulted in the fatalities of innocent children.